Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to connect a Sceptre monitor to a laptop or PC, step-by-step display setup guide. Video cable compatibility. Sceptre monitors typically feature multiple video input options. You must identify the matching ports on both your computer and your monitor. HDMI, the most common port, it carries both audio and video signals. DisplayPort, ideal for high refresh rate gaming setups on PCs. VGA, an older analog port found on budget monitors and older PCs. USB-C, found on modern laptops, enabling display and power delivery over one cable. Step-by-step connection guide. Step 1, power off devices. Turn off your computer and your monitor before connecting any cables to prevent electrical surges. Step 2, connect the video cable. Plug one end of your chosen video cable into the output port on your PC or laptop. Now connect the opposite end firmly into the corresponding input port on the back of the Sceptre monitor. Step 3, attach the power supply. Plug the monitor's power adapter into a wall outlet. Now connect the other end to the power DC jack on the back of the monitor. Step 4, turn on hardware. Power on your Sceptre monitor first. Next, boot up your laptop or PC desktop. Step 5, select the correct input source. Press the source or input button on the back or bottom bezel of the Sceptre monitors. Then toggle through the menu until you select the exact port you use, example HDMI 1 or DisplayPort. Step 6, configure display settings. Windows and Mac OS users must configure their operating system to manage how the secondary screen behaves. Windows OS, press Windows plus P on your keyboard, select duplicate to mirror your laptop screen or extend to use the Sceptre monitor as an independent second workspace. macOS, navigate to System Settings, click Displays, and arrange the placement layout of your dual screens. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.